up, guys? Welcome to another hair video. I am going to show you guys a detailed tutorial on how to perfect these beautiful French curl passion twists. Look at the curls. Look at these curls. They're giving queen, they're giving energy, they're giving French me. Let's get into the video. So big shout out to our Amazon sponsors at Weporia store. They sent me a 6-pack French curl braiding hair, color 1B, 18 inches, loose wave, and about 100 grams per pack. So I'm starting off with freshly blow dried hair, and these are all the products that I use. Why did I hold that upside down? In the description below. So I'm gonna start off by parting in the middle. So I usually pre-part, but for the sake of the video, it's a whole thing. Like, we're gonna do it from start to finish. So we're doing 3 parts all around the head first, 2 in the front, and then we're just gonna start on the back. So the key to straight parts is Shine Jam. And then you're gonna take your rat tool comb and make 4 squares on the bottom to start off your passion twist. Now I am using the rubber band method. I feel like the rubber band method is a little bit easier, and it also helps your twist stay secure. So you're going to take the crochet tool, and then you're going to crochet in a good measurable amount of the French curl braiding hair, and then you're going to start off by twisting normally clockwise, I would want to say. I had to think about it for a minute, guys, my bad. And you're really just gonna do that for each row. So I started off with 4 squares on the bottom, and I think I worked my way up by doing 5 across my head. It really just depends on how big your head is. My head is just insanely huge for some reason, so in the middle I went by just putting in like 5 squares. As you can see, they're not as perfect because I can't see all the way back, but you know, they'll do. Usually when you start off these type of passion twists with this French braiding hair, you would start off with braiding first from the rubber band, but because I didn't really think that anyone could see the back anyways, I just started with doing the twist. So whatever your preference is and however long you want to keep the passion twist, I would recommend braiding first into the twist if you're going to keep this style in for a long time. I personally am not, but word of advice, braid first for the whole style. Towards the end of the video, I will be braiding and then doing the twist in the front, but you know, I just wanted to make it look good. So we're just gonna twist for the rest of the video. I'm actually going to go away for a little bit and let you guys just watch, and I'll pop back in towards the end of the video.
a cash money splice down. Two-bedroom war in a street room. Like power and shower like the Crips and the Bloods. Hanging on my neck, the bracelet matches a set. My brother name is Tina Dollar. Stop all that back and forth over the net. My mama wish I would've went corporate. She wish I would've went exec. I still turn to a CEO, so the lifestyle she respect. Hey, 2 sprinters to Quebec. Cherie ou et mon bec. They only giving niggas +1, so I never pull up to the Met. You know I gotta bring the set. You know I gotta bring the G block. You know I gotta bring the D block. Cause you know how sticky it get. Hey. You know how sticky it get, ayy. You know how sticky it get, ayy. You know how sticky it get, ayy. She want me to play with that cat, ayy. She love how I make it on wet, ayy. You know how sticky it get, ayy. When everything is put to rest, and everybody takes a breath, and everything gets addressed, it's you alone with your regrets. All that pumping up your chest, all that talk about the best. You know how sticky it gets.
Like we weren't supposed to come up with something this clean.
Sticky it gets.
No, you know not anyone. No, I can't wait till we find a way to part ways. Seems like a day, the dark days. Seems like you're bad at the small things. And it seems like when it's a hard way, we fight through the night all day. I still don't know why I still pay into your wrong, even though I know you.
And now we're done with the style. Oh my gosh, you guys, this took me like 2 days, but you know, I wanted to take my time. It didn't take like the 2 full days, you know, I had class and everything, so you know, just did most of it through the night and woke up and did the rest. So we're gonna do edges. You know, I love my wavy edges. Wave it up, wave it up, wave it up. I really need to like figure out how to do different type of edge styles, but that video is gonna come soon. Comment below if you can't wait for that video. So here's the final product. This came out better than I expected. This is so pretty. It almost gives me that look of the Senegalese twist. And I just love the curls, the French curl on the bottom. I'm gonna definitely be wearing this as a half up, half down style. And it's just beautiful. Like, it's so soft, and you know, it's definitely my signature look. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe below, and I'll catch you in the next video.